mirrors. The one you hot like pepper sauce. Mr. Vegas versus Foota Hype. This is a blast.
No, we are defend R. Kelly. And men, we have 90% of dancers, we are sleep with children, you are defend them. So tell me who you are, brother. Me sure know say you're not straight.
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed, love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself, welcome to Foota TV. As I say, yeah, big up on yourself, give thanks to the life. Give thanks for the rising, give thanks for another day, you know. Yes, myself, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Anyone that big up on yourself. All of the originals from the platform, big up on yourself. All of the new ones, welcome. And don't know your support is highly appreciated. Please consider subscribing and click the bell so you always get the alert when I post a new content. And don't know the support is highly appreciated. Thank you all. See, no more viewers and subscribers coming up in this episode. I don't know, Mr. Vegas addressing Foota Hype and some serious topics, serious points. You know what I mean? And I don't know how to play it for make you hear what Mr. Vegas has said. And then you can leave no feedback in the comment section. Zine, and also if you want to watch the rest of the live, go over Mr. Vegas page. Zane, make him know a lion foot. Say no. Zanza, big up yourself, Mr. Vegas. Yeah, man, you don't know. It takes a big man to a big man, you know what I mean? Yes, you know what I mean? For say unity and you know what I mean? I love and respect truth and rights. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, Mr. Vegas addressing Foota Hype, I think twice now. Mr. Vegas said, nah, stop my text upon him because Foota not straight. You see me? Yes, so when Foota did lash out for myself and Spice for doing the LGBTQ show in Canada. And I mean, Mr. Vegas spoke in the defense of truth and rights and facts because I did watch the live and I did put it on the platform but I never get the chance to. You see me I say? Yeah, you see it? So you don't know. Big up Spice here too. You see me I say? Big up everybody we say live and let others live equality, leave people to their own judgment and things, you know what I mean? Yeah, so now Mr. Vegas Foota Hype made a post now, Zine, stating in relation of R. Kelly, Zine, and this is what the post said. It's fucked up how they set up and murdered R. Kelly and the black community is cool with it. And the white woman who was doing human trafficking, rape, and murdered for decades gets 20 years. Yes, and that's what Futa stated on his Instagram, and that is why Mr. Vegas reacts. Yes, so reason why I was reading like that is because I don't know YouTube more times some words like the RAPE and biblical words that YouTube say they're not YouTube friendly with the advertisers them, you know what I mean? The companies them that doing the advertisements. Yeah, so sometimes them sensitive, so you know what I mean? Yeah, so that's why I was reading like that. But anyway, yeah, Foota Hype made that post and I was quite active over there on Foota Hype page as well. You know what I mean, commenting on some about R. Kelly. I'm a big fan of R. Kelly and R. Kelly is guilty. You know what I mean, when they're wrong, you're wrong. You know, and even if they set him up, R. Kelly fell for the trap. You know, being with underage, I don't know, in this time, it's very risky. You see me? But yeah, nobody's perfect alive. But anyway, yeah, that's the only one, the only experience I've ever had. And them time me a youth as well, teenager, you see me? But anyway, over 20 years ago, you see it? But anyway, yeah, so Mr. Foota Hype made that post about R. Kelly, saying R. Kelly, I mean, it's about R. Kelly wrong. If you go to Foota Hype page and you can see the comment section, me in at the comment section more than once with several people, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm a fan of R. Kelly, but R. Kelly messed up, you know what I mean? And yeah, there's evidence, visual evidence and them thing there. Like over 10 years where video did leak, where we do all sorts of things with the female, you know what I mean? The teenagers them at the time. You see me answer? So R. Kelly wrong, that's where you go. But anyway, I not much to say, but I'm going to hear Mr. Vegas as addressing Foota Hype in relation of that post that he made in the support of R. Kelly. See? So this is what Vegas has to say. Here we are going.
Let me get my intro. So check this now. We put some lightning on Foota Hype again. All week we are burn him out. And him not learn same way. He's not learning. So we have to continue to put the fire upon him because here we go now. If you want anything to turn out good, you have to put it through fire to purify it. So we have put Foota Hype through the fire. All week fire him get. And if him continue, we still have to put him through the fire. We might cool off the fire a little bit, but we still have to put him through the fire. You see? Now, according to Brother Foota Hype, him not respond to me because him may respond to me and me get bigger. You see? So in other words, he must say him so pompous, where if him address what I am saying, it will give me relevance. Please understand this, Brother Futa, or Foota Hype. Your career, not nowhere near my career, brother. Based on what you say, I say this enough. Because I don't really judge people or use my career to measure nobody. But based on what you said, your career not nowhere near my career, brother. I can't stop singing right now. I have 6 Billboard songs. He's a little producer and a little selector with them know in the bass market, brother. So that little pump or something the way you come with, that is ridiculous. See? The information we put forward, we don't put forward the information for it to go viral. We put forward the information and we counter your argument because we are strike a balance. We are the voice of reason. See? So don't get ahead of yourself and feel like say we are call up your name through we are look attention. Because there are so many other people that we could talk about that are more important than you in terms of, career, etc. There are so many people we can talk about. See, but we address you because you are in the same demography. That we cater to. Dancehall people, Jamaican diaspora, blah blah blah. See? So don't get ahead of yourself, brother. And don't get pompous with this thing, or condescending where you feel like say, oh, you reach somewhere. You're the viral king, so somebody had tried get a reaction from you if you address what them saying. Address the argument to me I put forward. Me put forward since week all the follies them, First thing you pray to, I'm gonna call the deity Udanis because of the algorithms. So first thing you pray to Udanis are Adonai. See, you know me attack. Right? What me sure you say is a Greek deity and the deity is bisexual. Address that. You know if you address me, address that. Where you put out to your family them, where you put out to your friends and where you put out to your audience. But that is that. And that I'm an intro, I have to do it over. It's painful, but I have to do it over. See? So just correct it. Now, the issue now today is you defending R. Kelly. Again, you show that you are just all talks and no actions. You just a bag of mouth. You just a chat about righteousness. You don't know what is righteousness. You just a chat about straight nation. You don't even know what is straight nation. You don't know what it is to be straight, brother. Yes, what I say? When you're a straight man, you defend women. You stand with women that have been abused sexually, physically, mentally. That is when you're a straight brother. You're a straight up brother. You understand that? That means straight nation shouldn't be just about when Spice go up on a show you burn her out, when people shake you burn them out, and that's it. That are not straight, brother. That are just the physical. That are just the physical things about straight nation. What about the mental? What about the psychological things about straight nation? You understand me I say? What about the universal things about straight nation? Now for you to get up and defend R. Kelly, it shows that you are not straight, brother. Straight up. You're not straight. And we're not talking about no fish thing now. We are talking about straight nation. We are talking about outstanding or upstanding brothers. We say them a lead. You say you're a Pied Piper. That means that you accept say you lead people, brother. So right now, you coming out defending R. Kelly shows that you are not straight.
How long them a try do this, how much laws them change during the time, how much accusation, how the charges change from one stage to the next just to send them in a prison. On the door, understand it on the door, know the behind the scene part of how rich R. Kelly is as a musician. Like seriously. So me have to go break it down. Cause me even have friend like Twitch say nah listen me. R. Kelly if you got prison bragging murder and me I try to show him say Twitch. There's a deeper understanding where you don't know. That yes the whole of we eat rapists and we eat pedophile and we eat, but we have to face reality. What them send R. Kelly a prison for a joke. Me not say he not have underage girl or whatever. But the cases where them have in front of the court, all of them can't prove the man guilty upon them there. All now. And if a man gonna tell me say R. Kelly sleep with underage girl, like 16, 17, and him to go to prison, then 99.9% of all I DJ them, and musician who know a Jamaica to go to prison, 99.9% of all I rapper them to go to prison. All now. And if a man gonna tell me say R. Kelly sleep with underage girl, like 16, 17, and him to go to prison, then 99.9% of all I DJ them, and musician who know a Jamaica to go to prison, 99.9% of all I rapper them to go to prison, 99.9% of all of the producers them to go to prison, because Damon Dash did there with Aliyah took more than one set of people. Elvis Presley had a girlfriend from she had 13 and I toured her up on the private jet at 14. Ozzy Osbourne, the whole of them could start calling name.
Pull up. You heard it. You heard it. That is not edited. That vocal is not compromised. That is what Straight Nation boss put forward to his followers that he's leading. Now, if you want to tell me now, say me I call up a man name and this not have nothing to do with me, be my guest. But me have a 16-year-old daughter, me have a 11-year-old daughter, and me have a 8-year-old daughter. So me have every reason to talk about this. Every reason. Sip my tea. First thing first. Foota Hype proved to us that he is not dealing with righteousness. Because if you know 90% of artists in the business we are sleep with underage girls. But let me just say 16 or 17, which is not technically not underage in Jamaica, but in terms of moral turpitude, grown men sleeping with 16-year-old girls, that's wrong. So we're not talking about the law, the letter of the law with this. We are talking about you. I said 90% of dancehall and artists and musicians. 90%. That means we're talking about a mean that is over 50. We are talking about an average that is over 50 or 40 something. So you are basically saying 90% of dancehall artists and musicians are sleep with children. And you come out every day a bun Batman and you not talk about them. You not call for them name. You not talk about them. You not call... Yo, how the bongo dongo Adrian, where you the man? Where the Adrian? Me need two bad word for you. Me not really cuss no bad. Where the bongo dongo the man here tell me say? The great Straight Nation boss, where born Batman straight, where see say Batman a mess up with society because them are influenced with you them. Right? Which, if you want to argue that point, you can, it's a great point. We can argue that. Because influence, you don't know, say, yeah. You know, it's based on what them show up on TV, looking as them are, so we can argue that point there. But why Straight Nation stop only this up? Why Straight Nation boss know 90% of dancehall artists and musicians will sleep with children and not talk? Explain that to me, people. Explain that. So now we understand why them don't say nothing when we are born out the pedophile them. Now we understand why them don't say nothing When we have burn out them pedophile friends, we get children pregnant. Now you understand? But you're so pompous to address them argument here. You see? You're so important to address them argument here. Then use your relevance and talk about the man them we are sleep with the children them. In a dance hall and reggae music. You see, you can always fool a little idiot them we are jump up and yeah man, I chew him attack, eh. You can always fool them done said people, eh. You can always fool them lame, uneducated people, eh? But we they have to strike a balance. We they have to devise of reason, brother. And as long as you put them things forward, we are going to talk about it. Clear zero if you want to think that we are trying to seek attention. Yeah, we are seeking attention. We are seeking attention to your ignorance and your stupidity and your bias. You not tell we who are them 90% of people here who are sleep with children, but you want to come tell we about spy show. You want to come tell me about a man round so. You want to come tell me about silent raver and then you call all ding dang in it for the man denounce the youth. For the youth lose, for ding dang losing contract. That is what you care about, you know. To make sure say ding dang straight, you call the man pan a live without even notifying him. Why am I come pan the live, you know? But you know 90% of dancehall artists will sleep with children. According to you. And you not tell we. Or you not tell the world. So we can protect the children them. Isn't it ironic that you said nothing about your friend them when people expose them? Isn't it ironic that you said nothing about Tanya Stevens and all of them will come out come say they get raped? Isn't it ironic that you stay silent on those issues? Now we have to wonder if you're in at the 90%. Me never say you're in it, me I say me I wonder. Because Straight Nation say me a Batman can me a defend Batman. No! Wonder if Straight Nation are going to say you are like R. Kelly because you are defend R. Kelly. Me no know. Now ask. Remember that when you say no? Yeah man, him a Batman, him a defend Batty. Him a defend Batman. Every time him a defend Batman, he don't go think him defend a Batman. Alright. No, you are defend R. Kelly. And men, we have 90% of dancers, we are sleep with children, you defend them. So tell me who you are, brother. Me sure know say you're not straight. Me sure know say you now deal with Straight Nation, brother. Me 100% sure of that because that is not righteousness, brother. And you say Straight Nation is about righteousness.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers, as I say, I don't have much to say, but it look like something going on. I wonder Foota Hype got answer. Foota Hype did say now answer, you know. Now answer Mr. Vegas. So I wonder if this now Mr. Vegas. And Mr. Vegas talk facts, he talks. What he's saying, it makes sense. You know, and you don't know, you can't see the truth and hide it. You know what I mean? Mr. Vegas, he speaks very intellectual and with sense. You see what I'm saying? So let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. As I say, I don't have that more to say, is it? Yeah. I'm going to say more things, our things, but I'm not saying nothing more. As I say, let me know what I have to say still. But big up Foota Hype, big up Mr. Vegas. You don't know Lion Foota, we say, yo, unity over scrutiny. See? I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Words of advice and encouragement. Trigger finger, say the mid hot. Another road, none of fire wild shot. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Who are issue contract? Feed the killing, then go shoot up the black. Stop, 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 stop.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.